Hello, welcome to Sanvi Naveen channel. So, today what we are studying? We are studying from grade 4 Dan Bhavna. So, we are studying from grade 4 Dan Bhavna. Dan Bhavna means what? When we'll do the charity, when we'll help someone, that time our thinking, our what we will think, we should not think if I'll give this one, I will get return something like that. You should not think. Always whenever you are doing charity, whenever you are helping someone, you should help from your heart. Okay, so let's start from grade 4 दान भावना. सो श्रीनिवास नाम का एक बालक अपनी दादी के साथ एक नए गांव में रहने आया. इट मीन्स Srinivas means that boy name, Dadi means grandma. Okay, Srinivas नाम का एक बालक. So the boy name was Srinivas. He came with his grandmother to a new village. नई गांव में रहने आया. It means one new village. He came to one new village to stay. वे दोनों गांव के साहूकार के पास पहुंचे. वे दोनों गांव के साहूकार के पास पहुंचे. साहूकार मीन्स मनी लेंडर. In village and all we have sahukar children, but in Bangalore, in cities and all we don't have any sahukars, but in village side obviously we have sahukar. It means whenever what and all you are doing in the village, at and all permission you have to take from the sahukar. If you want to build something, if you want to stay somewhere, then you have to take a permission from the money lender. That one will call it as a sahukar. So वे दोनों गांव के साहूकार के पास पहुंचे. वे दोनों मीन्स दीज टू, ग्रैंडमा एंड श्रीनिवास. दे वेंट टू साहूकार, दे वेंट टू मनी लेंडर. दादी और पोते ने साहूकार को प्रणाम किया. दादी और पोते ने साहूकार को प्रणाम किया. दे बोथ डिड नमस्कार. प्रणाम किया मीन्स नमस्कार साहूकार, लाइक दैट. सो यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर. नेक्स्ट, दादी ने उससे कहा, मालिक हम दूसरे गांव से आए हैं, अब यही रहना चाहते हैं. सो दादी सेड टू साहूकार, मालिक हम दूसरे गांव से आए हैं. वी केम फ्रॉम अनदर विलेज. दूसरे गांव से वी केम फ्रॉम अनदर विलेज. अब यही रहना चाहते हैं. नाउ वी वांट टू स्टे हियर, नाउ वी वांट टू लिव हियर. आप हमें सिर छिपाने की जगह दे दें. आप हमें सिर छिपाने की जगह दे दें मीन्स कैन यू गिव अस लिटिल शेड, कैन यू गिव अस लिटिल शेड और अ हाउस, अ हट टू स्टे. बदले में हम आपके घर के काम कर देंगे. सो द दादीमा सेड, ग्रैंडमा सेड, कैन यू गिव मी शेड फॉर अस. So instead of that, I will do all household chores for you, all household work for you at your home. In your home, I will do all the works. So Dadi said to साहूकार. साहूकार ने मन में सोचा, बिना दाम के 2 मजदूर मिल रहे हैं. So the साहूकार was not good. His character was not good. Okay, he was not a good guy. He was not a good person. So what he said, because Dadi said, right, grandma said, I will do all works, all household work, all household chores I will do at your home. So बिना दाम के 2 मजदूर मिल रहे हैं. मजदूर means labor. So without paying any salary, without paying any money, I am getting 2 laborers. इन्हें क्यों छोड़ा जाए? Why I should leave them? वह मान गया. So he agreed for that. साहूकार said, okay fine. उसने घर के पिछवाड़े उन्हें रहने की जगह दे दी. पिछवाड़े मीन्स बैकयार्ड. पिछवाड़े मीन्स बैकयार्ड. सो ही गेव प्लेस फॉर देम नियर टू द बैकयार्ड. He gave one. Can you see in the picture the small hut? He said, okay fine, in backyard I have one hut, you can go and stay there. Next, दादी ने पूछा, साहूकार जी इसका किराया क्या होगा? Kiraya means rent. Kiraya means rent. Obviously, if you want any house for staying, obviously we'll ask for a rent, right? So that one. So she asked, what is the rent for this? So for this, what he said, साहूकार ने झट से बताया. Quickly he said. झट से बताया means quickly he said. मेरे घर में 4 भैंसें, 4 भैंसें, 4 भैंसें मीन्स 4 buffaloes, भैंसें मीन्स 4 buffaloes. 3 बैल, 3 बैल, 3 बैल मीन्स 3 ox और 4 गायें एंड 4 cows हैं. उन सब को चराना होगा. उन सब को चराना होगा मीन्स you have to feed them, you have to take all the animals, you have to take care of all the animals, what and all like eating, feeding, everything you have to take care of that animals. He has 4 भैंसें, 4 buffaloes, 3 बैल, 3 ox, 4 गायें, 4 cows. Next, so उन सबको चराना होगा. उनके गोबर को पात कर उपले बनाने होंगे और उपले बेचकर उनके पैसे मुझे देने होंगे. So what is mean by gobar? Gobar means the cow dung. In villages and all children, they will use like this. They will do like this. With the cow dung, they will do like this, and they will sell this one in the market. They will sell this one in the market. Okay, so that is one type of business in village. So what he said उनके गोबर को पात कर, you have to do with the cow dung, you have to do like this. उपले बनाने होंगे. उपले बनाने means cow dung cakes, cow dung cakes. और उपले बेचकर means you have to sell in the market. उनके पैसे मुझे देने होंगे. What you will get the money, that money you have to give it to me. So what Sahukar said? Sahukar said, you have to take care of all my animals. How many animals he have? That and all the animals you have to take care. And you have to do this cow dung cake. And you have to sell in the market. And that money you have to give it to me. Sahukar said to Dadi. Okay, next. उपले बेचकर उनके पैसे मुझे देने होंगे, वहीं उसका किराया होगा. So that is a rent. What and all, this and all work he said. Then last he said, this is only your rent. Because I'm giving a hut, no, I'm giving a shed for you, right? So you asked a rent, no? So that is what and all I said, this and all you have to do. This is my rent. Who said? Sahukar said. So दादी और पोते ने साहूकार की शर्त मान ली. So they agreed for his condition. दादी और पोता. दादी means grandma, pota means grandson. So they agreed for the condition. Whose condition? साहूकार condition. शर्त means condition. उसे दिन से दादी तो साहूकार के घर का काम करने लगी. From that day, now she started. You can see in the picture. Okay. Now she from उसी दिन से means from that day itself, दादी माँ, grandma started work in that home, साहूकार's home. और पोते ने गांव में ही कोई काम ढूंढ लिया. And he, this pota means grandson, he searched one good job for him in that village only, same village. उनका जीवन चलने लगा. Like that their life is going. Next, एक दिन की बात है, one day. Okay, साहूकार के दरवाजे पर फटेहाल एक भिखारी आ गया. So one day साहूकार के दरवाजे पर means so near to his साहूकार's house, near to his साहूकार's दरवाजा means the door, main door. फटेहाल एक भिखारी आ गया. फटेहाल means you can see over the picture how the भिखारी means beggar, how they will wear the dress, that is like a फटेहाल means it's not proper. फटेहाल भिखारी आ गया. साहूकार ऊंची आवाज में बोला. It means with the hard voice we can say. Okay, ऊंची आवाज में बोला, चलो आगे बढ़ो, मेरे पास कुछ नहीं है. So साहूकार said, go front, I don't have anything. साहूकार said to this भिखारी means beggar. Next, वह भिखारी घूमकर पिछवाड़े की ओर आ गया. So he went to backyard because backyard was दादी was there, no? He came there. दादी को उस पर दया आ गई. So दादी felt very pity on him. Grandma felt very pity on him because he was a bhikari, he was a beggar. Whenever the beggar will come, obviously if we have something, then we have to give, right? We should not tell, hey, go from here, I don't have anything. We should not tell like that. घर में जो खाना बना हुआ रखा था वहां उसने भिखारी को दे दिया. So what and all she prepared, what and all Dadima prepared, what and all Grandma prepared, everything she gave it to the bhikari. Everything she gave it to that beggar. Next. So can you see, she gave all the food to beggar. Next. विदा होने से पहले भिखारी दादी की हथेली पर एक दमड़ी रखते हुए बोला, माँ तुम इससे अपने पोते के लिए मुरमुरे खरीद लेना. So while going, he took that what and all she gave, the food he took, and while going, he just gave one damadi. Damadi means the old coin. Okay, old coin, OLD, old coin in villages and all. Okay, old coin that beggar gave it to Dadima, to that grandmother, and he said, अपने पोते के लिए please buy murmure. Murmure means puffed rice. Murmure means puffed rice. Can you see in the picture? That one will call it as a murmure. So he said, you please buy murmure for your grandson. Next, दादी ने उस दमड़ी को अपनी संदूकची में रख दिया. संदूकची means the small wooden box. संदूकची means a small wooden box. So दादी ने उस दमड़ी को, that old coin she kept in one small wooden box. वह सोच में थी कि आज अपने पोते को क्या खिलाएगी, because she gave all the food to that beggar, to that bhikari, right? Now she is thinking what I should feed my grandson, what I should feed my grandson. तभी उसका पोता खेत से आया. That time only her grandson came back from the farm. वह भूखा था. He was very hungry. Okay, he was starving. दादी ने पोते को सारी बात बताई और कहा, so grandmother said everything, all the matters, what and all happened. No, this bhikari came, this everything she gave, that all the food she gave, and he gave one old coin, that and all she said to her grandson. संदूकची में से दमड़ी लेकर कुछ खरीद लो. So he said, you just take that old coin and just go and buy something what you want to eat. Yes? Okay. So you can see here. Next, what happened? जैसे ही पोते ने संदूकची खोली, that when he opened that संदूकची, when he opened that wooden box, you can see in the picture. You can see in the picture when he opened the wooden box, सोने की चमक, सोना means gold, सोना means gold, सोने की चमक से सारी झोपड़ी जगमगा उठी. सोने की चमक से सारी झोपड़ी जगमगा उठी. So when he opened that box, he saw so many gold coins and it was shining. So because of that shining, full hut, झोपड़ी means hut. So all the full hut, it was started shining because of that gold coins. Next, उन्होंने सोना बेचकर means when what they did, they sold out that sona, they sold out that gold, and they मकान बनाया means they built a house. Next, जमीन खरीदी means they bought a land. बैल खरीदे means again what they purchased, they bought ox. और बड़े किसान बन गए. Now they are very good, very big farmers. Now they are very big farmer because of that gold coin. Next, उनकी समृद्धि देखकर सेठ ने सोचा, काश मैंने उस भिखारी को न भगाया होता. Looking at their prosperity, समृद्धि means prosperity. Looking at their prosperity, this Sahukar was thinking, oh, I should not send that bhikari on that day. I should not send that beggar on that day, or else I will be also rich, no? Like that he was thinking, because he is not a good person, he is a bad person. एक दिन वही भिखारी फिर उसके द्वार पर आया, जिसे बहुत समय पहले उसने भगा दिया था. The same beggar came one day, again same beggar came one more day. The same beggar came, that which beggar he came that day came, no? So the same beggar came. साहूकार दौड़कर बाहर आया. दौड़कर means he ran and came outside. because the same beggar was there, the same भिखारी was there. भिखारी को सम्मान के साथ अंदर ले गया. Now he gave respect, he welcomed that भिखारी, he welcomed that beggar, and he welcomed that beggar with the respect. सम्मान means respect. इसके बाद थाली में 56 व्यंजन सजाकर उसके सामने ले आया. नहीं, after that when he came inside, he just decorated 56 means 56 food items he decorated on that plate and he gave it to the भिखारी, he gave it to the beggar. मुस्कुराते हुए भिखारी ने छक कर भोजन किया. So he was so happy. The beggar got so many items, food items. Obviously he will be happy, no? So he's with the happiness, he just ate everything. He started his food. जाते हुए वह साहूकार को भी एक दमड़ी दे गया. Again while going, he gave one old coin to that साहूकार. दमड़े हाथ में आते ही साहूकार की खुशी का ठिकाना न रहा. When he got that coin in his hand, he was very happy. Why? He was thinking, I will get so much gold coins, I will get so much money. उसने दमड़ी को बड़े जतन से अपनी तिजोरी में रख कर ताला लगा दिया. So what he did, you can see तिजोरी means the iron almirah, the old iron almirah, no? This one will call it as a tijori, where the sahukars and all, they will keep their money, gold, everything, no? That one will call it as a tijori. So with full carefulness, he kept that coin in that tijori. उस रात उसे नींद नहीं आई. That day he didn't get sleep at all. नींद means sleep. वह बार बार तिजोरी के पास आता और फिर बिस्तर पर लेट जाता. 100 times he used to go in front of that tijori. 100 times he used to go in front of that iron almirah. Why? Because he is thinking the full almirah will become as a, next day it will become as a full with the gold coins. Like that he was thinking. So that's why he is not getting sleep at all. Bistar means bed. Again he will go to in front of tijori and he will come back to the bed. Like that he was doing full night. इस तरह पूरी रात घूमते हुए बीती. So full night spent like this only. From here to there, from there to here, like that. पांव फटते ही साहूकार तिजोरी खोलने आया. पांव फटते ही means early in the morning. Early in the morning, he wants to open that tijori. He came to open that tijori. सोना मिलने की खुशी में उसने अपनी आंखें बंद कर ली थी. So he was very happy. He was thinking, I will get so much money, no? So that's why he closed his eyes. For this happiness, he closed his eyes. आंखें बंद कर ली means he closed his eyes. When he wants to open the tijori, when he wants to open iron almirah, he closed his eyes. वह सोच रहा था कि उसकी पूरी तिजोरी जगमग कर रही होगी. Now he is thinking, my full almirah. Can you see how much big it is? Can you see here how much big it is? That much big he is thinking, that much big, that much full I will get money, I will get gold coins, he is thinking. लेकिन यह क्या? But what happened? हुआ तो बिल्कुल उल्टा. So everything was ulta. Everything was ulta. Ulta means crooked. It means from top to bottom means bottom to top, like that. Ulta means. उसकी तिजोरी में रखा हुआ धन कोयला बन चुका था. What and all he kept, no? Money and all, what and all he kept in the tijori, it became to koila. Koila means charcoal. Koila means charcoal. Koila means charcoal. You can see this one will call it as a charcoal. So कोयला बन चुका था. साहूकार समझ गया कि यह सब करनी का फल है. साहूकार समझ गया कि यह सब करनी का फल है. करनी का फल है means children, what and all you will do it for others, it will come back for you only. If you are doing bad for others, obviously it will come back to you. Like that it is. दादी ने निस्वार्थ भाव से भिखारी को भोजन कराया था. निस्वार्थ means without selflessness, because she is not thinking I'll get something. because of food. She was giving the food to the bhikari, right? That time she was not thinking I will get something from it, right? Just she gave because he was hungry, right? So she gave it, इसलिए उन्हें वैसा ही फल मिला. That's why फल means they got result like that only. Who? The दादी माँ. उसने लालच में आकर भिखारी को भोजन दिया था, सो ऐसा फल मिला. बट साहूकार what he did? लालच में आकर means he was thinking, no, I will get so much money, that's why I have to praise like this, that's why I have to give respect like this, that's why I have to do like this with that beggar. So his thinking was very bad. So that's why he did not get anything. That's why it turned to कोयला, it turned to charcoal. इसके बाद से साहूकार का व्यवहार हमेशा के लिए बदल गया. So from this day, all the what and all he has the character, it got changed. साहूकार का व्यवहार means his behavior, his character, everything got changed after this incident. दादी और पोते ने उसे अच्छा सबक सिखा दिया. दादी एंड पोते ने, grandma and grandson, taught him very good lesson. Okay, that is about this story. So please, thank you so much children, thank you so much parents. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.